So today we'll be trying out Rytr AI and want to see exactly what we can do with it on the free version. So to begin, we're going to be starting a new document, and we're going to go ahead and click blog idea and outline. And for the keyword, we're going to write, I guess, tech tips. And then maybe we can go ahead and click 2 variants and for optimal, and let's see what it does for us. And so by simply using a primary keyword of tech tips, we get 10 essential tech tips to boost your productivity and simplify your life. And it gives us a bunch of ideas that we can utilize for a blog and or create an outline for it. And you can see here 10 essential tech tips to boost your productivity. And it gives you specifically the tips and the full, I guess you can say, format of what we would be utilizing here. So now that we have an idea, let's go ahead and create a new document. Let's just create it as, let's do tech tips, and see if we can actually create some sort of blog post. So we'll go ahead and we put in a prompt that I asked ChatGPT to create for us on the topic, so that way it'll understand it completely. Actually, wait, that's in the wrong place. We're going to go ahead and put it into the keyword section with the prompt, and the header will leave it to what it had in it, which was the initial title and or header, which was 10 essential tech tips to boost productivity and simplify your life. So now that we have the prompt and the header from the past one, we're going to go ahead and click Write for Me and see what it creates for us. And as we can see here, it actually generated a nice, I guess, blog style that you can basically input by copy-pasting into whatever format you're writing your blog. And you can see here it says 5 easy tech hacks to boost productivity at home. As remote work becomes the new norm, many of us are searching ways to enhance our productivity while maintaining a comfortable home environment. Yada, yada, yada. And it gives the 5 or 10 tips, depending on what you're asking for. And you can utilize this and basically correct it for your own style. But this is pretty much what you can do with Rytr AI, or Rytr.me in this case. So while utilizing the free version, you can easily create blog posts. You can create blog ideas and outlines, and you can also go down and utilize all these other features, which include brand name, business idea pitch, business ideas, call to action, etc., etc. There's a bunch of things you can utilize. It's great for productivity and for creating written content that you otherwise would have a hard time generating yourself. So with Rytr AI, it is basically a tool that will help you create content quickly, such as your blog posts, your social media captions, product descriptions, emails, ad copies, anything under the sun where you have to generate written content quickly that would fit for typically a business or content creation in general. I mean, almost everything with this is text-to-speech, and it utilizes natural language basically to process and generate your text based on your topic, your keywords, your tone, etc. So, if you want to utilize this, you can utilize it for free, and hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.